My name's Henry Okuszki. I was a water tender, at the time I was a water tender on this ship, and then I went into the Boilermaker gang, and we serviced all the boilers, all 8 of the boilers. And to fire the boilers, you would stand here. This is the air control, and usually this periscope on each end will tell you if it's smoking or not. If you're smoking black, you open it up, give it more air. Here's to indicate how much air you're using. And if it's smoking white, you got too much air. So you got a smoke watch up there to tell you if you're dozing off and they say, hey, you're smoking black on number 4 or number 3. You know, all you do is open the air up or shut it down. Now these are the burners here. This is, well, they're stuck. But we got 5 burners on this side, which is the saturated side. Makes steam. We run at 600 pounds main steam. Here it is here. 600 pounds. On the top of the boiler are 2 safety valves. If your heat goes above 612 to 618, the safeties pop, the safety valve, and it blows up the stack. You got about 620 pounds of steam blowing up the stack. But as you're firing, here's the control of your burners. And if you're watching your gauge, and between this is a saturated side and that's a superheated side, and these are the feed lines for the oil. These come from the oil system goes from the service tank, a bulk tank, to the service tank, to a heater that's heated to about 140 degrees, so the oil burns. Comes up through here. And this is the root valve. You shut this off. When you're steaming normally, these are wide open, and you have a burner that you insert here. Different size tips. You can't get it off. Anyway, a burner goes into here, and the gooseneck comes around here on the oil side, where the oil comes into it. And there, when you're gonna put another burner in, tighten it up, and before you open this valve, this is the air going to the burner. You open the air thing and crack this, you got combustion. But the burner tip is made so that your oil comes in to a faceplate and revolves this way, whereas the air comes in this way. So you get a stream of oil into there. Normal, we used to run burner tip size 3507, and if we ring up flank speed, we have to change them to 30. All right, man, I got one in my pocket here. 3509s, I think. Yeah. Some of the crew got these, yeah. 3009. So these are for flank speed, everything else. You got to crank up your air more because the tip is bigger and you're burning more oil. So, and then this is the superheated side. This runs at 850 degrees. So it's the same process for the burners and that, and this controls both the fireboxes.